taking so long? I don't have time to dick around with freshmen. This is really heavy. How am I supposed to move this all the way over there by myself? Figure it out.
Keep that thing away from me.
Hold still, dammit! I don't have good depth perception. You've got to the count of 5 to let me out of here. 1.
For this you must be punished. I will punish you with my existence, for my existence tortures me, and in effect enlightenment should torture you as well.
Hot Rides is the #1 place to go for all your automotive, adrenaline-guzzling needs. You'll find the sickest cars and bikes, and the craziest riders around, to bring you the best gearhead action that you won't forget.